Okay, so this is day 4. Pour to RIMAC. So yesterday, we got 3 million. And now, I want to get to 4 million. And I also gotten Bugatti Veyron yesterday. Have right now 2 million. So, I'ma buy a better car. I need to grind 3 million today. Okay, so here are the cars. To be honest, I feel like the Bugatti Veyron is a good car to choose from. It has a really good top speed, but the handling is mid. My goal for today is 4 million, so I'ma buy a car that's better. Also tomorrow I will get the RIMAC, so stay tuned. Here are the cars. To be honest, I could buy this Bugatti, but I bought a Bugatti already. I wanna buy something new. I think I will buy this, since it's pretty OP for its price. The top speed is kind mid though, but anyways, let's buy it. And also, this is a licensed car. Here is the car. To be honest, I kinda like how the doors open. I don't know what's this, but it's not an engine because it's an electric. I have enough money to fully max this out. Now, it's grinding time. Highway race.
3, 2, 1, go!
Few moments later.
I just grinded to 0.4 million. Now, if I sell this, I would get almost 1.7 million. And now, I have 4 million. Anyways, like and subscribe for more videos like these. Have an awesome day.